this is why the DJI Mini 3 will be the only drone you need. DJI is at it again, bringing technology from its bigger, more expensive products down to its diminutive sub-250-gram DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, which means you don't need a license to fly it in the US and other jurisdictions. That makes it a great high-end first drone for people who are just getting into the sport, or for people who want an ultra-portable drone that can do tricks that until now, only the much bigger drones could do. So in this video we will discuss everything you need to know about DJI Mini 3. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Less than 249 grams, more than capable. According to the regulations, drones under 250 grams have been placed in the safest drone category. At under 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro's combination of weight, safety, and performance arrives as a new resource for content creators on the move and new pilots looking to fly. With this portable, powerful aerial camera, more people around the world will enjoy safe flight and access a large world of visual storytelling. Expanding the possibilities of a mini drone, looking at where to take the Mini series next, DJI asked their users and found the perfect direction. Integrate DJI excellent flight and imaging versatility into its smallest drone. Like its predecessors, Mavic Mini, Mini 2, and Mini SE, it keeps the same compact foldability for packing and taking anywhere. But Mini 3 Pro was made with more built-in features than any other DJI drone its size, thanks to enhanced flight performance, camera system, battery life, and intelligent features designed to face new possibilities. Every new iteration of a DJI product is an opportunity to explore one question: what can be done better? The arms and propellers have been adjusted for more aerodynamic flight that increases flight time. This new design also mounts forward and backward dual vision sensors at the very front of the drone, broadening sensing range for even safer flight, obstacle sensing for safer flight. In a first for the Mini drone series, DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing, consisting of forward, backward, and downward visual sensors. The forward and downward sensors have a wider field of view, providing seamless coverage for better route planning and environmental awareness. These sensors also enable advanced pilot assistance systems, APAS 4.0, which automatically detects and finds a safer path around obstacles during flight. A camera system for pro-quality content. DJI Mini 3 Pro also brings a completely enhanced imaging system. A 1x1.3-inch CMOS camera sensor has dual native ISO, a capturing technology previously only available on cinema and some micro single cameras. It also has an aperture of 1.7 and shoots images at up to 48 megapixels and video at up to 4K at 60 FPS. To help capture high-quality, easy-to-upload content, the camera rotates 90 degrees for true vertical shooting, creating incredible photos and videos in portrait orientation without quality cutting image zooming and cropping. Extended battery life and transmission distance. Even though the DJI Mini 3 Pro is under 249 grams, it still arrives with extended flight time. At a maximum flight of 34 minutes, Mini 3 Pro can capture more landscapes and destinations on a single charge. To give users more choice, Mini 3 Pro also introduces an extended flight battery option. The Intelligent Flight Battery Plus allows for a maximum flight time of 47 minutes, an unprecedented capability for a drone this size. Capture like a pro with intelligent features. The enhancements onboard DJI Mini 3 Pro already make it an excellent flying camera, but that's not all. A full suite of intelligent capturing modes from DJI Air and Mavic series is now available on Mini 3 Pro to let you create like never before. Master Shots keeps the subject in the center of the frame while executing different maneuvers in sequence to generate a short cinematic video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.